Hey now, Priscilla here, coming to you straight out of Texas. And today we're going to talk about how to go live in 4 easy steps without any fancy equipment. This is going to be, as we call it, KISS. Keep it super simple. How to go live in 4 easy steps without any fancy equipment. Well, one is, we'll deal with the equipment part first. Just use your phone. Just use your phone, whatever you have. If it's an iPhone, if it's an Android, whatever it is, just use your phone. Some people won't go live because they think they have to have a lot of fancy equipment, some lighting kit, some special lens. Well, I'm here to tell you that you don't need all that to go live. All you need is your camera. You can use your camera phone, whether it's an iPhone or it's an Android. The cameras are super high quality in these phones anyway. And so that's all you need. So what you do is you start right where you are with what you have. Use your phone. And then number 2, know what you're going to talk about. You can have some bullet points. You can write up some notes, but usually just put some bullet points. Like I have my little sticky notes with my 4 topics that's on the sticky note. So you can have that and utilize that to help keep you on point. But just know what you're going to talk about. Make sure you cover your points. Make sure that you're clear, your phone is clear, the lens is clear, and you can be heard very well. So just know what you're going to talk about. And then number 3, tell yourself it's okay. Tell yourself it's going to be okay. Encourage yourself. Sometimes we get ready to get on camera and our hands start sweating and we get nervous and anxious. But you know what? Calm your mind, take a deep breath, inhale a few times, in and out, and tell yourself it's okay. It's not going to be perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect. I think I heard, matter of fact, I know it was Zig Ziglar. What he said was, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start in order to be great. A thing that I like to use a lot of times is, look, you can't wait for all the lights to be green across town when you're trying to head, how do you say it? You can't wait for all the lights to be green before you head across town, okay? So just know that it's not going to be perfect, but understand that the more you do it, the better you'll get at it. The more you do it, the more confidence you'll gain. The more you make videos, the more you go live, the better you'll feel, the more ideas that'll come to you in regards to making those lives. So like Nike says, just do it. Speak positive, affirmative words to yourself. Tell yourself it's going to be okay. And people are going to love you. You know, just tell yourself that. And then number 4, push the button. Push the button. Push the record button and just start talking. Understand that you have value, you have knowledge, you have skill set. Wherever you are in life, there's some things that you've learned. There's a message that you have, some things that you've overcome. There's a message that you have from some of your experiences that there are other people that need to hear that. They need to hear how you made it. They need to hear how you were down at one time and you pulled yourself up by your bootstraps, and how you believed God and you trusted God and you did the things that you needed to do to make it. So do that. Push the button. Get your voice out there. Get your message out there. Be heard. Know that you have value and that you have worth, and somebody is waiting to hear from you. So, what are my points? Start where you are. Use your phone. So you start right where you are and use what you got. Know your topic. That's number 2. Tell yourself it's okay. And then number 4, push the button. Just push the button. Hey, I hope that you got value. Like, comment, share, and we will see you on the next video.